Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most likely woodworking ideas, stylish home decor ideas, beautiful office decor ideas, stylish woodworking ideas, beautiful wooden objects, stylish wooden projects, most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas. Newest version of most beautiful, most trendy woodworking ideas. Top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful and trendy, easy to make, stylish decoration ideas, garden decor ideas, beautiful home decor ideas, wall decor ideas, wooden furniture, every types of woodworking projects you can see in this my video. Best designer ideas you can see. Those who love such type of woodworking ideas, you can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful woodworking ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, stylish wooden projects, most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Hello friends.